Hi everyone. Today I am going to teach you chapter 26 opposite words given in your English grammar book. So let's get started. Underline the words which show the differences between Shiv and Ashu. As you can see, there are two boys given in your book. One is Shiv and other is Ashu. So you have to underline only those words which show the difference between both the boys. As you can see in the first sentence, Shiv is big but Ashu is small. So here we are going to underline big and small because these two words tell us the difference between Ashu and Shiv. Next sentence, Shiv is tall but Ashu is short. So here we will underline tall and short, because these two words are telling us the difference between their heights. Next sentence, Shiv carries a heavy bag but Ashu's bag is light. So here comparison is there between both the bags of Shiv and Ashu. So we are going to underline heavy and light. Students, words that are completely different from each other are opposite words. You can see some of these opposite words in the chart given below. Like opposite of cold is hot. Opposite of weak is strong. Opposite of dry is wet. And opposite of slow is fast. Now let us come on the exercise given on the same page. Write the opposites of the following words from the box. You can see box is given to you. You have to find out the opposite words of the question given and then you have to write it in the blank. As first one is given weak. Opposite of weak is strong. Second, opposite of new is old. Third, opposite of sweet is bitter. Fourth, opposite of easy is difficult. Fifth, opposite of smooth is rough. Sixth, opposite of high is low. Seventh, opposite of top is bottom. Eighth, opposite of early is late. Now let us come on the next exercise given on page number 81. Fill in the blanks with opposites of the words in bold. You can see in the following sentences some words are there which are written in bold. Okay, so what you have to do? You have to write the opposites of those words which are written in bold. For example, the first one is, this pen is thick but the pencil is dash. As you can see here, the word which is in bold letters is thick. So you have to write its opposite. And what is the opposite of thick? Opposite of thick is thin. Similarly, number 2, you can see in the bold words, happy is there. Opposite of happy is sad. Likewise, third, the milk is cold but the tea is hot. Here we have written the opposite of cold, and opposite of cold is hot. Similarly, you can see the 9th one, this chair is hard but the sofa is soft, because the opposite of hard is soft. And the last one, my fishing rod is small but my father's rod is big. It's very easy. Opposite of small is big. If you don't know any opposite word, try to memorize it or just read it twice or thrice. If you will read it again and again, then all the opposite words will stuck in your mind. Okay, students? Thank you.